channel. My name is Rupali. Today I'm going to do a Amazon haul. I know I do a lot of hauls, but I end up buying a lot of stuff and फिर उन पे वीडियो बना लेती हूँ. That's out of the box. The important thing is it's a Amazon haul, but it's a electronic haul. बहुत makeup skincare हो गया. Now I should focus on थोड़ा other stuff also. So it's an electronic haul. There are some weird products जो कि मैंने ले लिए थे. I don't know why. It's okay. Let's get started with the video. So the very first product is this earphone. OnePlus का earphone. It's not actually मैंने खुद से खरीदा नहीं है. मेरे भाई ने मुझे गिफ्ट दिया था. This is the ear. It comes with the earphone and उसका charger. Very honestly मुझे इसकी कीमत लॉकडाउन में समझ आई. When you are doing your online lectures and I just put it in my ear because हमारे कैमरास बंद रहते हैं and मैं पूरे घर में घूम रही होती हूँ. जो करना होता है वो मैं कर रही होती हूँ. These were for 2000 rupees and these are just great purchase. मैं दिन में सुबह I guess आधे घंटे के लिए चार्ज करती हूँ. ये पूरे दिन काम करता है रात तक, even next day तक honestly. So this is a great purchase. ये कुछ ऐसी पैकेजिंग में आता है. So if you are looking for a wireless earphone then get this one. and इसका मुझे बेस्ट पार्ट ये लगता है कि this has magnet. So ये जैसे करंट होता है वीडियो ऑटोमेटिकली बंद हो जाता है, तो मुझे पता चल जाता है कुछ भी हो रहा हो. Now let's get to our next earphone. I have few of earphones, इसलिए पहले उनको खत्म कर लेते हैं. So the next product is this headphone from JBL. It is Live 650 BT NC. इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस 13,000 रुपीज है, बट इन सेल मुझे 6,000 का मिल गया, विच इज अ स्टील. इट हैज एक्टिव नॉइज कैंसिलेशन. इसके अंदर इनबिल्ट एलेक्सा एंड गूगल असिस्टेंट है, विच इज ग्रेट. इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत लग्जरियस लगती है मुझे. इट हैज 2 कॉर्ड्स, एक चार्ज करने के लिए C टाइप एंड एक है दूसरे डिवाइसेस से कनेक्ट करने के लिए. द हेडफोन इज क्वाइट नाइस. गाइस द स्ट्रगल इज रियल. ओके, फाइनली इट्स आउट. बाय द वे इसके यहाँ पे टच से ये वर्क करता है, विच इज नॉर्मली टच स्क्रीन कहते हैं, बट मुझे पता नहीं हेडफोन्स में क्या कहते हैं. एंड नॉइज कैंसिलेशन इज प्रीटी ग्रेट. बाजू में कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है बट अब मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है. सो ऑल्सो आई एम सॉरी फॉर अगर वो कंस्ट्रक्शन की वॉइस वीडियो में आ रही है. दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस हेडफोन. 1 आवर की चार्जिंग गिव्स मी अराउंड 5 आवर्स का बैकअप, विच इज क्वाइट गुड फॉर अ हेडफोन. एंड नॉइज कैंसिलेशन की वजह से भी ज्यादा चार्ज यूज होता है. बाय द वे द हेडफोन ऑल्सो कम्स विद दिस बैग सो दैट ट्रैवलिंग में ईजी होता है इजीली हेडफोन डाल के लेके जाने के लिए. बट वेरी ऑनेस्टली आई कैरी माई टेक स्टफ इन दिस लाइक माई पावर बैग, चार्जर and everything. I love this product. If you are looking for good headphones, do check it out, but wait for the sale because I know you will get a steal on it. Now let's get to the next earphone. So the last earphone of this haul is this Bose AirDots, which is true wireless earbuds. It's for 1500 rupees, but I'm pretty sure sale में उससे कुछ सस्ते में ही मुझे मिला होगा. These are obviously Bluetooth connecting earpods. इसके साथ you get one charging cord which is inside it and a manual small C, and this very small earbuds का case. उसके अंदर you have this earpods जो कि you can very easily put it in your ear. By the way this container it charges your earpods which when they are inside it. तो basically ये एक power bank की तरह है इस earbuds का. It is quite a nice purchase, but अभी I can't talk a lot about it because ये बहुत ही recent purchase है. Maybe I'll talk later about it, or if you want to know then comment down below. जब भी I will reply. After all the earpieces, now let's get to finally other appliances. So this is the very first weird product. I know you must be guessing what it is. It says pore cleaning device, which is from Derma section. I got this for around 500 rupees. So I struggle with whiteheads. And whiteheads मेरी जिंदगी के दुश्मन है. To get rid of them, I have ordered this. You have to get batteries for it. उसमें तो batteries नहीं आती हैं. And it was for 500 rupees with 4 different kind of heads. I am honestly very scared to use this right now. After using it for few times, I am thinking of making a separate video of it. That did it work or not? So for now, that's it for this product. Now let's get to the next product. The next product is also from Bose, which is a power bank of 2000 mAh. It comes with a charging cord for the power bank. This is how it looks. I got this in the blue color. Okay, a little bit of backstory. I had this in the black color but वो खराब हो गया and that was still in the warranty period which is for 1 year. So उन्होंने मुझे बहुत easily change करके दे दिया. The process was very easy. It was for around 1000 rupees. In the sale मुझे original price नहीं पड़ा but I will put that in the link obviously. So I have this bad habit. I use my phone entire day and रात को I connect my phone with the power bank and charge. So my life is dependent on a power bank. This power bank charges up to 4 to 5 times my phone, which is a great power bank, and it has dual charging that at one time you can charge with 2 cords, which is great. It's a great purchase for 1000 rupees. I love it. Now let's get to the next product. The next product is this Kimi Professional Hair Straightener. It was for 250 rupees, which is very affordable. I don't straighten my hair, but I just wanted to get it. No reason. मेरे को लगा 250 rupees का है तो ले लेते हैं. मे बी मेरे को बस वो डिलीवरी चार्ज नहीं भरना था दूसरे प्रोडक्ट्स का, तो मैंने ले लिया. ठीक है, मैंने सोचा मे बी एक बार ट्राई करते हैं क्या होगा. मैंने अभी तक तो एक बार भी नहीं यूज किया है. ये रखा हुआ है मेरे पास. आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ यूजिंग दिस नाउ एंड इसके ऊपर आई विल मेक द रिव्यू. वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कोड सकर था उसका और इसका साथ में मिला के आई विल मेक अ रिव्यू वीडियो and you will get to know about this, so stay tuned for that video. Now let's get to the next product. The next product is this heating pad, electronic heating pad which I got for like 200 rupees. मुझे ना इसका ब्रांड बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है एंड इसके ऊपर लिखा भी नहीं है. कोई चाइनीज ब्रांड है. इट कम्स विद अ चार्जिंग कॉर्ड जो कि मुझे भी बिल्कुल नहीं मिल रहा है. If you charge it for like 15 minutes, it lasts you. Initially it used to last for like 4-5 hours, but now it lasts for only 2 hours, which is not bad. Very honestly, after 1 year of usage, अगर वो 2 hours भी last करता है, it's not bad. If you are looking for an electronic heating pad, get this one or other one, which I will link it. I will link some other heating pad in the description box. Check it out. And for chumming, heating pads are great. If you are into working out and everything, and you end up straining yourself, get this one. The next product is not a tech product, but it's a pepper spray from brand Empower Defense Spray Pepper. I feel everyone, either a girl or a boy, should have it. It was for 250 rupees, but इसका original price 350. I'm pretty sure sale में आपको वो भी 250 मिल जाएगा. मैंने कभी use नहीं किया है. Luckily, it was never needed, but I just got it for personal safety, and I think everyone should have one, or maybe gift others. The products arrived after the filming of this video, so I'm just going to do the voiceover of those products. So the first product is my new phone, which is Samsung A52 in the color lavender. It was for 26,500 and I really like the color. Lavender is very trendy right now, so that's why I got in this variant, and it comes with a charger. Next product is Zebronics Zeb KM2100 Multimedia USB keyboard. It was for 300 rupees. It's a very new purchase, so I can't say anything about this. The last product is Logitech N70 mouse. It is wireless USB connecting mouse. It is for 800 rupees. This is the last product of the haul. So here the video ends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give the thumbs down. But do let me know in the comment section what are your opinions. Please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. It brings a smile on my face. I think that's all for this video. And also please subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. Please guys, मेरे Instagram पे तो है ही नहीं. Till then, bye bye and stay tuned for the next video.